Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Etsy shop stats and listing visibility setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Etsy shop stats and set up listing visibility, start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to your shop's dashboard. On the left side menu, find and click on Shop Manager. In the Shop Manager, look for the Stats option and select it. This will take you to the Stats page where you can view your shop's performance. To enable shop stats, ensure you have an active shop. If your shop is not active, you will need to list products to access these features. Now, let's set up your listing visibility. Return to the Shop Manager dashboard. Next, click on Listings on the left side menu. Here, you'll see all your current listings. Choose a listing you wish to make visible. Click on the listing title to open its editing page. Scroll down to the Visibility section. You will see options for visibility, public, unlisted, or private. Select public to make your listing visible to everyone. Once selected, scroll down further to find the Save button. Click on Save to apply your changes. Repeat these steps for any additional listings you want to make public. After setting up your listing visibility, revisit the Stats section to monitor your shop's performance. Here you can track views, traffic sources, and sales data. Regularly check these stats to optimize your shop. This will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Now your Etsy shop stats are enabled, and your listing visibility is set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.